Profit maximizing quantity and price presentation. Oil Company X is a large oil refinery which has been expanding and taking on new investment projects. Recently, they have considered building a pipeline that stretches across the United States, from Canada to New Orleans. As an alternate investment, they are considering increasing production at existing facilities. In order to make a comparison of these investment opportunities, I will be tasked with the duty of finding the profit maximizing quantity as well as the price if production is set to continue at the existing facility. In this PowerPoint, I am set to present my findings and recommendation along with key documentation such as cost curves and data tables as well as equations. Profit maximization occurs at the point where the marginal costs equate to the marginal revenues, both in the long run and in the short run. Marginal cost is the cost added by producing one additional unit of a product or service, and marginal revenue is the additional revenue which is generated by increasing sales by one additional unit. This is the data spreadsheet based off of the prices and shows the lowest average variable cost. It has where there would be a loss, where there would be a profit, and where the profit is maximized based off of the different numbers and quantities generated. And the values in this are in the millions. So the profits for the marginal profit is going from anything at 2.49 million and above in price, and then the price as well for the total profit would be starting at anything at 1.86 million and above. This is the profit maximization curve. This graph is used to show the price, marginal revenue, average variable cost, marginal cost, and the average total cost. As observed from this figure, we are in a place of note that the marginal revenue and marginal cost curve interest at a price of $1.73 and a quantity of 5 million. This is the point where marginal revenue are equal to the marginal cost, which forms the profit maximization point. My recommendation at this point is that that the decision to increase the level of production can be considered to be a viable option. The point where I would recommend a shutdown is the point where there is the lowest average variable cost, as illustrated from the spreadsheet, which would be $640,000. At this juncture, at the green section, which turns marginal revenue over to 2.1 million and total profit to 1.78 million. Profit maximization at the quantity of 5 million and the price of 1.73 million is illustrated from the spreadsheet. And here is my reference. Thank you.